Hi everyone, here we are in the Chapter 4 folder, and in your vocabulary folder you will find the vocabulary itself, the derivatives, a derivative PowerPoint, and the Chapter 4 vocab quiz. Now, excuse me, this is your Chapter 4 vocabulary video. I already opened up the vocabulary, so let's have a look. Here we have your new vocabulary. You have several adjectives, a couple adverbs, a bunch of nouns, a preposition, and some new verbs. And actually, you have two prepositions. This one doesn't say preposition. Actually, you have three prepositions this time. I don't know why they're separated, but they are. So, adjectives first. Alter, alter. It's actually alter, altera, alterum, which means another or one. Sometimes in a sentence you'll see alter, alter, which means one and then the other. For example, if you had alter wir ambulat, alter wir redet, or how about out it? So one man is walking, another man or the other man is listening. That would be how you would use that. Let's see. Omnis, omne means all or every. Please keep in mind in the singular it means every because all can't be singular. And then in the plural it means all. So, whoops. Okay, didn't mean to open Skype. Let's go back to the desktop. There we go. So, omnis puer is every boy, but omnes pueri, which is plural, is all boys. That's how that adjective works. And then optimus, optima, optimum means very good or the best. Hodie is an adverb. It means today. Ubi is also an adverb. It means where, but it can also mean when. Now, how do you know the difference? Well, if you have a sentence with ubi, try both. Whichever one makes the most sense is the one that's probably right. Then we have ancilla, which is a slave girl. Bellum belli, which is war. Culina culinai, which is a kitchen. Lectus lecti, which is a couch or a bed. In the story that you're going to read, it's going to be a couch. Mors mortis is death. Tellum telli is a weapon. Triclinium, triclini, there should be two eyes right there, is the dining room. And uxor, uxoris is a wife. Please notice for the first time you have a neuter noun here, and a neuter noun here, and a neuter noun here. You don't need to worry about it right now, but what you do need to remember is that these neuter nouns belong to second declension, and they decline pretty much like any second declension noun. So you can tell that lectus lecti is a second declension noun. It will decline just like bellum, tellum, and triclinium for now. All right, your first preposition is day. It takes an ablative. You learned that in the SID space prepositions in Chapter 3. The D in SID stands for day. It means down from, about, or concerning. Most of the time, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight this for you, it's going to mean about. It really only means down from when you're talking about down from the mountain. But if someone's just talking and they use the word day, it's about something. Like I told you about the girl. Then you have three new verbs. Debeo, debere, intro, intrare, laboro, laborare. You should be able to tell what conjugation they belong to just by looking at their principal parts here. Then you have two more prepositions, contra and propter, which take an accusative case. You should know that because neither one are on the SID space list, which is all the ablative ones. And contra means against. You can see that like contrary. If you do something contrary, it's going against. Propter means on account of or because of. Let's look at your derivatives for a moment. Again, the derivatives are these English words that are underlined. These are the Latin words that they come from. There's really nothing to point out here. Just take a read on it because you will be asked about these derivatives in your vocab quiz. If you have any questions, please ask me. Otherwise, good luck.